Welcome to Lattice Labs Blockchain Education. Lesson: What are hash functions? Hello and welcome to our video on what are hash functions. In this video, we will explain what hash functions are, how they work, and their significance in computer science. Firstly, let's define what a hash function is. A hash function is a mathematical function that takes in an input of any size and produces a fixed-sized output, which is known as a hash value or hash code. It is a one-way function, which means that given an input, it's easy to compute the output, but given the output, it's almost impossible to compute the original input. Now, let's understand how hash functions work. The hash function takes the input and runs it through a specific algorithm, which generates the hash code. The output hash code is unique to that particular input, and any slight change in the input will result in a completely different hash code. Hash functions have many practical uses in computer science. One of the most common uses is in data storage and retrieval. When you store data, you can use a hash function to create a hash code of the data and store it in a separate location. Later, when you want to retrieve the data, you can use the hash function again to create the hash code of the data and compare it to the stored hash code. If the hash codes match, then you know that the data has not been altered since it was stored. Another practical use of hash functions is in password storage. When you create a password for an account, the hash function is used to create a hash code of the password, which is then stored on the server. When you log into your account, the server uses the hash function to create a hash code of the password you entered and compares it to the stored hash code. If the hash codes match, then you know that the password you entered is correct. In conclusion, hash functions are a fundamental concept in computer science and have many practical applications. They are used for data storage and retrieval, password storage, and many other uses. They are designed to be one-way functions that are easy to compute but almost impossible to reverse. We hope that this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what hash functions are and their significance in computer science. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please follow, like, and subscribe for more educational content like this. See you next time.